Hello everyone, welcome to Work Smart Math. I would like to walk you through this particular exemplar from the NCEA calculus exam back in 2024 on this particular standard about integration. As you can see, this paper is of excellence grade. I strongly suggest you to also use the merit grade when studying this exemplar. Let's get started. As we scroll down, as you can see, the answer part for 1B is empty here. This is where you will need the merit exemplar for this particular one. Okay, because that exemplar has the correct answer. And as we scroll down for 1C, the answer is correct except the last part. There's an 8 missing here. Right. Now 1D is not correct and you'll need the merit exemplar again. For 1E, this part of the answer you don't need. Okay, that is just something extra. I think the student was thinking something else before they realize how to do this question. And the answer is correct for this one. Now, question two, again, you will need the merit exemplar for 2B. Okay, before we scroll further, I just want to quickly mention 2A. To make this more precise, we need to add these things, notations. Okay, all right. And 2C, again, not correct. You need the merit exemplar. And 2D is correct. Now, there is no answer for 2E in both, in neither the excellence or merit exemplar. And I'm gonna quickly show you how to do this one. So let's take a moment and have a look at this question. We're given this expression of a sphere object M, and A, B, P are all positive constants. We need to find an expression for M in terms of A, B, P, and pi. Okay, so let's have a look at what the students has attempted. So what they did is they took 4 pi r squared outside of the integral expression. Now, it's important to realize what the variable is for this expression. And the clue that we are looking for is what is after d. So here dr tells us r is actually the variable. If you take r squared outside of this integral, you are not treating that as the variable here. That's why this is wrong, and the correct method is this. We need to take all the constants out, isolate them, so that we can actually see what the expression really looks like, the one that we need to integrate. Okay, so let me take A out and put r squared to the numerator. Okay, so 4 pi a is just a constant. What we really need to integrate is r squared over 1 plus b r cubed. Okay, if you are given a fraction form, the first thing that we need to think about is, can we use the natural log? So if we had a natural log like this. And to differentiate this one, we'll have something like that. However, we do not have 3b here. This is what we don't have from the question. Okay. So when we integrate this, again, let's just copy down 4 pi a, and we divide that by 3b. And then write the natural log like this. And that's it. So this question actually is not that difficult for an excellence one. The tricky bit is they throw a lot of letters to confuse people, to make it look like it's very complicated or abstract. But once you can tell the constants from the variable, vice versa, you can immediately realize, it's actually a very simple integration. Okay. Now for this part, ln1 is just 0. The final answer is this. Easier than it looks, isn't it? All right, let's move on. Okay, for 3b, you'll need the merit exemplar. Okay, and 3c is not correct. Look at the merit exemplar. And the rest of question 3 is correct. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more. I also offer online tutoring lessons that can be easily booked at www.worksmartmath.com. Why work harder when you can work smarter? See you next time.